and in this video we are assembling the Valentine pig slice card. So I've got my pieces laid out here and ready to assemble. I'm going to start with my back piece. So there's a white one, there's whatever color you want to make the base that has the slices in it, and then you have your the main piece here. So I'm just going to put on the ear centers and just kind of eyeball it to where you think the line for the head would be going. And then we're going to glue this onto the base. Oops. Just line it up. And now I'm going to set this aside and work on the next layer here. So for the head, we're going to glue the black backing to the face. And I'm going to glue this base piece on. I'm going to use pop dots on my head. And add the little nose. And there is a bow or bow tie for this one. I'm going to make mine a bow. And I'm going to pop this also with a pop dot. I'm going to use my little circles. Just put that on the head. Okay, so there is that piece. Now I'm going to pull this piece in. So you've got your 3 slice pieces and you've got your solid cover for the front. You also have a center for your heart. There are words included in the file. You can do a print and cut if you would like. So I'm going to pop up my little hands. I think they're wide enough. I can, yep, add a tiny dot. And these are going to go just at the top of this curve. Here's the other one. I'm not going to put the feet on yet because I want to pop those with a pop dot as well. But I need to put the front on before I can put the feet on. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the back I'm going to take my slices and I'm just going to, starting with the back one, I'm going to put these in, and I'm going to glue these down. So on mine, I like to glue the front and the back pieces in place. And that helps at least those two pieces to stay together. You may have trouble with your center sliding out, but at least your back and your front will stay put. This also serves a dual purpose. When I put the backing on this, that's why I cut it out of white. It will give me a place, gives me a nice big surface to write a message on. Okay, now I'm just going to take this back piece and I'm going to glue it. Glue it over this. Now that covers up those tabs I just glued down. And again, gives me a nice surface for writing a message on. Next, I'm going to take my center and insert it into the center slots. Okay, just make sure you get it all the way down. It's a little bit snug because it goes up over this piece, over the piece that you glue on the front. So it just helps it be a little bit snug. You just have to work it back and forth a little bit to get it trained. Now I'm going to fold these tabs first this way and then bring them over and fold them the other way. And I'm also going to glue these down just like I did the ones on the back. Okay. And then I am going to glue this cover over the front to clean that up. You can do that in a different color if you want. I just use the same color. Now I'm going to use some foam tape here and pop my feet up. And now she is finished. The saying that comes with this one is hogs and kisses. I don't have a printer here at home, so I was not able to print that out. But that file is in there. So there is your little pig. Thank you for joining me.